What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best-selling dash cams according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. Therefore, without further ado, let's begin. At first, we have the Garmin Dash Cam 67W. With a few extra connected features, the 67W improves on Garmin's already excellent 66W and offers a very alluring bundle. The 67W, which is roughly the size of a matchbox, is one of the smallest and best dash cameras we've had the pleasure of trying. In this tiny package, there is a high-end sensor that can record clear 1440p video and improve it in challenging lighting situations using an HDR feature. In our test, it appeared fantastic, and the extra pixels allowed for punching into the video footage on the computer to read license plates or identify small details that could serve as crucial evidence. The 67W improves on its predecessor by adding connected features, like the ability to automatically upload any saved clips to Garmin's cloud when the camera finds a reliable Wi-Fi network. Plus, it is also easy to set up, simple to use, and comes with a very clean smartphone app. Next is Thinkware Q800 Pro. With high 2K video resolution, integrated GPS and Wi-Fi, sleek design, and a variety of driver safety and assistance features, Q800 Pro is one of Thinkware's premium dash cam models. The video resolution of this dash cam is one of its standout features. It surpasses the full HD resolution of most cameras, which is 1920 by 1080, with its 2K resolution of 2560 by 1440. And this entails more pixels for taking pictures of more detail, which could be essential when attempting to assign responsibility or establish innocence following an incident. Other features include a variety of driver assistance systems, integrated GPS for adding location and speed data to recordings, Wi-Fi for transferring and uploading video, and more. These include notifications when a speed monitor is active and when the car in front of you has started moving. Also, there is Thinkware Wide Dynamic Range technology that could balance exposure to preserve information in a recording's brightest and darkest areas. Next up, we have the Vantrue S2. This dual-channel dashcam offers built-in 2.4 gig Wi-Fi and a free app that allows you to download files, watch videos, view a live view, share videos, monitor GPS data, and customize dashcam settings via your phone or tablet. Each video's built-in GPS can record the current speed in km, h, or mph, and a smartphone or computer can be used to monitor the vehicle's speed, location, and direction of travel. Large camera apertures and the high-performance Sony Starvis CMOS sensor are also included, with significantly improved picture capture in low light. This camera is a great choice for drivers of Uber and Lyft, rideshare vehicles, and taxis because it has 4 infrared LED lights that face into the car to illuminate the drivers and passengers. Additionally, the screen can display more clearly thanks to the advanced IPS technology and 3-inch high color saturation present here. This makes it easier and more comfortable to navigate the menu and use the dash camera. Plus, here it also combines 160-degree front and 165-degree interior-facing cameras into one device. And because of the OmniVision and Sony Starvis sensor, it concurrently captures two-way videos at crisp 2.5K 1440 progressive plus 1080p as well. Meanwhile, in the single front camera recording mode, it can record in 2.5K 2560 1440p QHD high resolution to plainly capture street signs and license plate numbers. Next is VIOFO A129 Pro. Since VIOFO isn't the most well-known brand in the dashcam industry, we won't turn it against you if you've never heard of it. But its 4K Resolution Pro Duo Edition offers excellent value for the money. Their A129 Pro Duo is a less attractive dashcam with a cheap-feeling build, basic hardware, and a difficult installation procedure. However, it does a lot to satisfy you if you're looking for a dual-channel solution at a reasonable price. The front camera, which uses a Sony Exmor R sensor, can record clear 4K video at up to 30 frames per second. And when we tested the video, we were pleasantly surprised by its high quality, with sharp registration plates and a wide dynamic range setting for vibrant colors. The only drawback is the size of the generated video files, which can rapidly fill up micro SD card space. Next is Thinkware F200 Pro. Many dash cams are choosing to do without the device altogether in today's phone-centric world. One such camera is the Thinkware F200 Pro, which requires you to connect your phone via Wi-Fi and the software to view what is happening in real time. This F200 Pro can capture beautiful full HD video with a wide color gamut, making it a decent value unless you believe you'll regret having an integrated display. Plus, it also has some driver assist functions like slow speed, front collision warnings, and lane drift alerts. A built-in supercapacitor also stores a small amount of charge to enable the device to continue operating for a brief period of time in the event of an unexpected power outage. It can be bought separately or with a rear device, which is an option. Lastly, we have the ORSKEY. The ORSKEY S800 dash video was designed for clarity. You get a crystal clear, full HD picture of the road from the camera element. It captures at 30 frames per second, and as a result, the video playback allows you to clearly and fluidly see each topic. Additionally, a rear view video is included with this camera set. This tiny, weatherproof VGA camera can be positioned where it is useful without being exposed, and by doing this, normal wear and tear damage is decreased. The length of the clips that the camera records can be set to 1, 2, 3, or 5 minutes. The camera also records in a loop. Therefore, once the memory card space is complete, the oldest data is overwritten. In general, we appreciated the ORSKEY S800's integrated parking watch. Even a motion detection feature is included, and when something or someone approaches too closely, this begins recording. Likewise, ORSKEY has excellent night vision, which is another quality. 6 lens components are present. Each one is a distinct IR LED filled light. This feature gives you the ability to see in even the most difficult settings and comes with enhanced HDR capabilities. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to receive notifications of our new videos if you enjoyed this video and would want to see more from us.